Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to build a basic minecart track system. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you will need is a crafting table, some stick, and you will need a lot of iron ingot. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and make your trail track or rail track just like that. Now, once you've created it, all you need to do is simply go ahead and place it down just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and let's just make a little square. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and make a minecart. In order to make a minecart, you just need to put your iron ingots just like how I'm doing. And there you go. There's another minecart. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and place it down and get on it. And there you go. Your little trail or your little minecart system is here. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.